So if you've always wanted to create games without coding, or possibly you just want to create very easy 2.5D games with tons of assets, or maybe you want to get started with RPG Maker, Game Maker, Unity, or Godot, then the Game Creator Mega Bundle from the folks at Humble Bundle alongside a ton of creators is definitely the right choice for you, as the folks at Humble Bundle have partnered with a lot of creators to bring this entire 110 item bundle to your fingertips for an extreme fraction of the entire price that any of these things would cost you to purchase them, as this bundle offers 110 items that you can literally lay your hands and start working with. This is a collection of hundreds of assets that you can simply work with if you work with the specified game engines, as this features environments, characters, meshes, models, animations, sound effects, visual effects, music, and much more. For those who would like to get this, there are a ton of things that you can get. So whether you're trying to get some content packs that you can simply use for your RPG games, or maybe you're just looking for some visual effects that you can work with, then you can go through and explore it. The folks at Dream Cycle have actually created a ton of things and they've offered them right here, from the animation collection to their easy VFX, which includes the blast, sanctuary, shoot, and splash, all the way down to you being able to work with some amazing visual effect tools that they've put together for earth, ice, water, and also wind. These things are right here and you can pick them up, piece them together, and start working with for your games. Now that is not all. There's also the Game Creator. So if you like to get the Game Creator, then you might want to consider taking a look at this, as this requires no code for you to start creating your games, and you can simply distribute this with no extra fees attached. And this is one of the best things so far that has to do with this bundle that is now here. And getting the Game Creator itself costs about $80, while getting all this stuff, music, sound effects, environment, all of this, for you to get every single thing that we've got here, including assets, icons, and all that, will only cost you about 25 euros or 18.15 euros for you to get them. The total value of all of this is about 1,375.86, but then if you like to get started with 2.5D creation or probably 3D creation with Unity and Godot, then there are tons of things right here that you can get for a fraction of the price. And for creators that are looking at creating stuff with Unreal Engine, then we've covered a couple of nice ones that are now available. So the Deluxe Dreams is currently available, and this ships with over 4,000 assets that deals with environment. These are high quality things. At the same time, there's also the Townscape Essential that ships with over 2,000 plus assets, and this is something that we've actually explored on the channel. So just in case you like to see what you'll be getting with that, there's definitely a video about that on the channel, so do well to check it out. And last but not the least, for those working with Unreal Engine, there's this beautiful Gamecom Unreal Flash Sale, and this as well deals with a ton of things for those who like to get started with creating stuff in Unreal Engine. So whether you're trying to be a C++ developer, a blueprint creator, or you just want to get started with learning how to create games, then you can simply proceed to check this out. There are some beautiful games that are currently available right here, which you can also get as bundles, and at the same time, some beautiful books for you to get started with learning a couple of interesting things. So this is it. The Game Creator Bundle is now available, and this is offering a ton of nice, beautiful things, and also offering enthusiasts a wonderful opportunity to get started with creating with Game Creator. Tell me what you guys think about this one in the comment section. And of course, if you like this video or you like something from this, you can go ahead and give a like, and don't forget to share with a friend. And until I see you guys in the next one, peace.